Hello, I'm Sam White, and I'm a Senior Product Manager here at GitLab. Today, I'll be doing the release kickoff for the Container Security Group's 13.12 release. Over the past few releases, we've been working to replace our container scanning engine of Claire and Clar with Trivy. This work has been done, it's just not turned on by default for most customers. We plan to make Trivy the default in the 14.0 release. But right now, we're actively looking for users to test this out and give us feedback. We've already been dogfooding this as part of GitLab, and we'd love to have some additional input from customers as well. To try this out, all you need to do is set the variable CS major version in your GitLab ci.yaml file and set that variable to a value of 4. Once you do that, Trivy will run and you'll be able to get some feedback on the results. Also in 13.12, in addition to testing that integration with Trivy, we're going to be releasing support for security policies to work on a schedule. Right now, all of that work has been behind a feature flag where we build it out. And currently, it only supports enforcing that policy to run as part of a pipeline job. This is a way for users to separate out the responsibilities of developers from the security team, where the security team needs to actually enforce that a scanning job happens on a regular schedule or as part of a pipeline run. To do this, once you turn on that feature flag, you will get an area in the left-hand side for scan policies where you can select an associated security policy project. In that project, you can then put a YAML file that defines exactly what that policy is. And again, today we only support enforcing DASC scans to be run as part of the pipeline, but in 13.12, we plan to extend that to let you schedule those on a regular schedule. Finally, in 13.12, we'll be extending the work that we released with the alert dashboard to add a few new features. First of all, we'll add the ability to click on one of these alerts and give you a side pop-out on the right that lets you see some quick details. This avoids the back and forth of needing to go into an alert to view the details and then come back out to the list view, and reduces the amount of context switching that happens as you're going through a lot of alerts. Secondly, we plan to add the ability to assign these alerts to users. And lastly, we plan to let you create an incident from any one of these alerts. If you have any feedback on any of these areas, or if you're interested in getting started with some of the areas that are behind feature flags or still in testing, we'd love to have your input. Feel free to reach out to me at any time or comment on any of our public issues.